I have had these shoes for some 15 years and wear them from time to time. I have already stuck back the complete sole of the left shoe with clear shoe goo. There are plenty of YouTube videos showing how to do this. As can be seen from the photos, the soles and heels are well worn down, so I thought I would make an attempt at sticking on new heels and half soles using black shoe goo. This video is not a tutorial of how it must be done. It demonstrates what worked best for me, by trial and error. So good luck if you are going to have a go. Dusters placed in the shoe will give support when the new half sole and heel are glued and held in position. I found it much easier and safer to clamp the shoes in a soft jaw vise whilst sanding the soles and heels. I would recommend that appropriate PPE is used. Clean with isopropanol or similar to remove mold release agent prior to sanding. Aluminium oxide, P60 grit sanding paper was used to scuff surfaces, and again they were then brushed clean and wiped with isopropanol. Rigid packing foam was cut to shape and would be used to support the underside of the shoe and the new half sole and heel after shoe goo adhesive was applied. Masking tape was placed around the shoe sole so as to prevent any overspill. As can be seen, shoe goo is very thick and requires a bit of effort to spread evenly. However, this should be carried out speedily as shoe goo starts to skin over fairly rapidly. Shoe goo is also applied to the half sole. Pressure is applied using a slight twisting action. This ensures that both surfaces form a uniform bond. The half sole backing foam was modified several times to discover which worked best. The replacement heel was prepared in much the same way as the half sole fixing. Shoe goo was applied to both surfaces and clamped in position with rubber bands. The shoe goo was left to cure for 3 days before removing the clamp system. Once the shoe goo has set, surplus material can be easily removed either by a sharp utility knife, mechanical, manual sanding, or a combination of all three. Conclusion. Overall, it can be seen from the photos that the end result appears quite acceptable. As said before, a bit of trial and error was required to master the best technique. The main issue is that the process has to be carried out over several days due to shoe goo curing times. If the shoes last the next several years, it will be well worth the time and effort spent on this exploit. Thank you for watching. I would hope the video has been of use and maybe given you some confidence to have a go yourself.
It's over. It's over!